Apartment building construction costs in Nigeria. Planning to build an apartment in Lagos, Nigeria, one of the biggest questions people ask is, how much will it cost? In this video, we'll go through the major stages of apartment construction and where most of the money goes. Stage 1. Land and site preparation. Under it, we have the land costs. We have the land acquisition, we have the survey plan, we have documentations, and we also have the site clearing before the building starts. So before construction begins, you need a land. The cost of the land varies heavily by its location. In places around Lagos State, Abuja, Port Harcourt, land can be one of the largest expenses. You also need documentation of that land, the surveys, and also the site preparation. Here is a picture suggestion of an empty plot of land showing on your screen right now. Stage 2, we have the foundation stage, which includes the foundation costs. We have excavation, we have the sand filling, we have the hardcore, we have the concrete, we have the reinforcement, we have the labor. Foundation cost depends on the soil condition and also the building size. Weak soil has a condition that can require additional reinforcements, which also increases much more expenses. This stage includes excavation work, it includes the concrete pouring, it includes the iron rods, which are to be used at the foundation stage. And iron rods are also very, very expensive, but they are necessary when it comes to your foundation work. And also we have the labor cost. Stage 3, the structural work, which is the main building construction. Under it, we have the blocks, the cement, the iron rods, the columns, the beams, and also the concrete. Structural work usually consumes a major portion of the budget. Materials like cement, reinforcement bars, and concrete are needed in large quantities. And of course, it means higher costs because they are very, very expensive. As the building rises from the foundation levels down to the upper floors, that is, of course, since we're talking about apartments, it involves decking. So as the building rises from there to the upper floors, there are labor and material requirements and they increase. We have the stage 4, the roofing stage, and under it we have the roofing cost. We have the roof frames, we have the timber or steel, we have the roofing sheet, and also installation. And under installation, we have the labor. Roofing costs depend on your design, the design complexity, and also the material quality. Some building projects use aluminium, that is the aluminium sheet, while some other builders or engineers or developers use the premium long span materials. So there are different types of roofing when it comes to building. And since it's apartments, with the high cost of building apartments in Lagos State, a lot of developers choose to build with the high standard. Stage 5, we have the finishing stage, which we have finishing work under it. We have the tiles, we have the POP, we have the doors, the windows, we have the plumbing sets, we have the electrical works, we also have the painting. All are referred to the finishing stage. And there is none that goes without the other. So finishing is often where projects change significantly. The budget changes as also as the project changes. Luxury materials can increase costs rapidly compared with the standard materials. We have the kitchen fittings where all the kitchen cabinets are mounted with its accessories. We have the wardrobe and its accessories. All the rooms are going to be having this wardrobes cabinet, and also all the rooms are going to be having their tiles, the bathroom tiles and all the apartment sections are going to be having their lightings, and choices are greatly affecting the total cost, because with the standard of choice these days, it means increased price, expensive things, and expensive gadgets. We have the stage six, the extra costs people forget, which is the hidden cost. The hidden cost. Under it, we have the professional fees, that is paying the laborers. We have the approvals, which includes the government's approvals, the documents, and the rest. We have the security, people taking care of the whole equipment, the materials used at the site. We have the generators, we have the water supply, the contingency budget. All of these things are needed while building is ongoing, because there's no way you buy an expensive material and you leave it outside without someone safeguarding it. So many people focus only on blocks and cement and forget about the extra costs. We have the architect's fees. You have to pay the person that gave you the drawing. You also need to pay the engineering drawing. You need to get your approval sorted out, which is more cost. You also have the unexpected expenses, which should be included in the budget. That is why I always tell people that whenever you're building, always keep 10 to 20% extra cost, extra money somewhere just for all these hidden costs. So we have the a contingency reserve, no, which is usually necessary and important, because material prices can change while your construction is ongoing. There are times that when you're starting, you can buy a bag of cement for 10,000, but before you know it, it has gone up. We have the conclusion, which is the final message to all the builders, developers, and engineers out there. Plan before you build. The moment you buy your land, make sure you have everything planned out. Don't just start and then you stop along the line, because that is what happens when you do not plan before building. So, building an apartment is a major investment. Proper planning and budgeting can help you as a builder avoid delays and also reduce unexpected expenses. Which type of apartment building would you prefer? A small block of flats or also a luxury apartment? Let me hear from you at the comment section. Feel free to tell me whatever you intend to build in the nearest future. If this is your first time meeting this such important update, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video to as many as you want. Share your answer in the comments. Subscribe for more construction tips, Lagos property content, and also building cost breakdown. Thank you. Bye.